If young Gotti don't trust you, I'm gonna film you.
Dang, Jacob, you crazy for this one.
Young Filmaz.
What's up? The ceiling, farts got me reeling. Edited up my footage, gotta make it look appealing. Dual card slot, so I ain't gotta reload. Better make sure you ain't on auto mode. Shout out to my little homie Race. Threw up the wrong sign and got filmed in the face. Just a young filmer before he met his death out on the cold ground where he took his dying breath. This ain't AVP, cameras out on the street. Walk on past the wrong filmer and get your films beat. Now Race traced in chalk, he was walking down the block till he turned around and got his films popped. Film me, you can't even see me. Like Xiaoxina, I be flowing like the Yangtze. Wanna make a movie? Take my advice. Young filmers on the street can be as cold as ice.
I'm an artist, just basic chemistry. I'm out here filming the office, wish you were me. Kinda hungry, I really need to eat. Plus my dog's barking, give me a massage for my feet. I was a yogurt male before it was cool.
Yogurt.
Slurping down yogurt throughout high school. No lie, I just ate some for lunch. Bet you suck at chess. I got a hunch. Open up with a French, eating my croissant. You got a nasty cinch, watch me play the opposite song. Checkmate, buddy. Now what you gonna do? Your films look like poo, you should be sent to Timbuktu. Oh, you salty? Like the soy sauce all over my table? I'll come film you when I'm able. But right now I'm looking on some ice cream. Ice Spice Paradise, my favorite flavor. It's a dream.
Pull out my big DSLR. Filters got me looking straight out of Avatar. Got the world's finest bars, and I think you'll agree I'm as lit as chocolate in your film straight dookie. I don't give a flying film, cause you can't step to me. That's a guarantee. Chillin' in my AVP SUV. Yeah, I'm down to film. I'm DTF. Cooking up films like a bona fide chef. Filming all this heat while I'm blazing down the street. Got that Panasonic boom, make that shutter speed weak. Big Mac, flashback, patty whack. Pull up the race car, racetrack, NASDAQ. Pull out the big sack, making cash, blazing hash. Hot potato, gonna mash. Smooth like my flow, got the press back. All the filming knickknacks, bringing the Riz back. Write a book, publish, that's a Rizzoli paperback. Rig up the Zamcam, bout to hit a grand slam. Wham bam, thank you ma'am, electroencephalogram. Slammin' jammin', mamma jammas, taking all these panoramas. Top tier Instagrammers, don't got time for these other cameras. Why we wing doors like a bird, ain't no slamming us. Tell Peter we know the word, the horses just ride with us. Hold up, ring ding, 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 ding. Call me Hector Salamanca and I call you Gus Spring. The way I'm blowing up, you ain't even showing up. Filming credits overflowing, CFRs, I'm mind blown. Work on my shot list while we on top of the hit list. Ain't no way you can miss this.
Young filmers, life can be rough. Filming and editing, if you don't like it, tough. Remember it my first time, shooting back in '09. But now I'm an alumni. First picked up a camera, didn't know what to do. Thinking about boombox, got me thinking about you. Scott Falk the master, invented AVP. Flash forward to real time, now I'm the MVP. Making dope movies, yeah, I know you're a fan. Beat got me bugging, now I'm thugging like Ant-Man. Hank Pym the OG, he mentioned Scott Lang. Scott Falk mentioned me, now I'm doing the same thing. Here's a little lesson from the AVP teacher. Gotta spit some wisdom since they put me on the feature. Life is like a light, so don't let it dimmer. But that's just life as a young filmer.